Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INMB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, absolutely monster day, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume, and huge volume. A lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward. Myself included. And now that the dust has settled, there's really two main levels from the technical point of view that I think have made themselves quite apparent, and levels that are very apparent are good because you know that there's lots of people that have taken notice of them, are going to be watching them. And when you know what a lot of people are watching, that can certainly create some self-fulfilling prophecies. So the first level that a lot of people are going to be watching, especially those breakout players, myself included, I'm very curious about this level right up here around $22. Today, you can see there were several occasions where the price just struggled whenever it got right up around that area. A couple of times couldn't quite get up to 22. A couple other times the price actually got above 22. Problem is the momentum could never sustain itself. So right there, got above it, momentum failed, got above it, momentum failed. And then a couple times right there, didn't quite hit it, didn't quite hit it, didn't quite hit it. So you get the idea. $22, going to be a level that lots and lots of people are watching. And if the price can recover back up to that area, and I mean, no such thing as a guarantee. My point here is it's at least a valid and rational thought to have. But if the price can get back up to 22 and then get the break of that, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Now, on the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, the exact opposite is true, and that's going to be with this area right here around 1575, meaning if the price goes down there and breaks through that level, again, not a guarantee, but certainly a more than logical and rational thought to have that, yeah, break of 1575 could create quite a bit of panic and could cause a bunch of selling pressure to show up. And I'm not saying that's going to send it down to $6.50, but there is quite a bit of downside leeway there because of the big move up, which is always the catch-22. Yeah, you have these massive movements to the upside, but then it can create some bigger spaces down below the chart. So that's going to be the couple of levels to watch going forward. I know I'll be watching it, and let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.